Hello friends, today I am here with a very different video. I want to talk about the pros and cons of cryptocurrencies with you. Should we invest in cryptocurrencies? Shouldn't we invest? For many years we have been told that cryptocurrencies are risky assets from the outside. It is also mentioned that we can catch great opportunities with small amounts of money, such as 1,000 try Turkish lira to 1 million try Turkish lira, or even 5 million try Turkish lira from cryptocurrencies. Is all of this being done to draw us in, or are there really profit opportunities in cryptocurrencies? Do cryptocurrencies need to be among our investments? I want to talk about this. In fact, I want to show you these with scientific figures. So my aim here is not to discourage investment in gold or to promote investment in gold. There won't be comparisons like Bitcoin is this much better than gold, or buying a house is this much better, my friends. Here, I will only explain to you that you need to create a portfolio in your own life. And we will all decide together whether there should be cryptocurrencies in your portfolio in this life. Friends, first of all, every individual, we have all grown up. Friends, each individual must have their own portfolio. This portfolio will include real estate. Try Turkish lira. If dollar, then dollar. If euro, then euro. There could be gold, silver, or cryptocurrencies. So I think it's always good to have diversity in your portfolio. Let's say you only have 100,000 try Turkish lira in this case. Of course, it wouldn't make much sense to enter cryptocurrencies with this 100,000 try Turkish lira, friends. You definitely need to diversify your portfolio. This is contrary to the logic of investing. Also, nothing I will mention in this video is, and will never be, investment advice, friends. As cryptocurrencies are starting to be legalized in our country, why did we title this crypto? I want to provide you friends with information about cryptocurrencies. Should we invest in cryptocurrencies or should we not? We will make this decision together. It is clear that there are opportunities in cryptocurrencies, my friends. No matter what anyone says, cryptocurrencies are assets that contain many opportunities within themselves. Just because there are many opportunities in cryptocurrencies doesn't mean that there are no opportunities in other areas. I want to explain everything in detail because it is often misunderstood. So, you can make a profit when you buy gold. You can also make very nice profits when you buy a house, or when you purchase land, or a real estate property, or a car. You can also achieve great profits. In fact, we are already in a position where we have divided our money and are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, we are investing 50% of our money in real estate, 25% in gold, and the remaining 75% in riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. For example, since my risk tolerance has increased significantly, I am now living quite aggressively with cryptocurrencies. I keep 50% of my portfolio in cryptocurrencies. You will determine this based on your own risk level, friends. I generally don't see a problem with people investing up to 25% in cryptocurrencies, friends. Of course, investing more than 25% could pose some issues. Yes, now that there are so many opportunities in cryptocurrencies, we thought about why we shouldn't make such a video, and together we considered and listed the opportunities in cryptocurrencies for you, friends. A very nice video content emerged, friends. Now, when it comes to discussing the opportunities in these cryptocurrencies, why should we choose cryptocurrencies, friends? Now, first of all, if you are a person who follows the current events and the ecosystem in real life, for example, artificial intelligences have developed a lot, haven't they? As artificial intelligence is developed, we learned about their advancements through television or downloaded AI programs to our phones and used them. But these have provided us with some financial gain in a way. Perhaps it has made your work easier. Maybe you have edited an Instagram photo with that artificial intelligence. In other words, you might have made a profit. You could have gained a financial benefit. Well, if I were in crypto, for example, you could have made more profit by buying from the reliable artificial intelligence coins at the moment when the AI hype was at its peak. This is just one example, for instance. I'm mentioning that artificial intelligences are becoming a hype. I want to give a real-life example. That's why I gave examples of AI. AI are not something that emerged with cryptocurrencies. AI have already come to the forefront, and artificial intelligences have been widely discussed. As cryptocurrency users, we bought their coins, caught them, and made very nice profits. Of course, it's not just artificial intelligence. For example, within cryptocurrencies, there are categories of their own, and these actually exist in many different categories. All of these have their own profit opportunities. For example, in the category we call REWA, which stands for Real World Asset, you are assigning value to a real estate property in cryptocurrency. I believe that we will talk a lot about these RWAs in the future, and similarly about DePIN as well. People are looking to make their assets safer with cryptocurrency. Topics like this could be discussed more in the future, for example. VVA is a category in itself. For example, there are some great VVA coins in crypto. Friends, opportunities for earnings like this can be provided to us by crypto. This doesn't mean that it progresses like this. When the field of artificial intelligence exploded and became widely discussed, all artificial intelligence coins rose, didn't they, friends? Now it is entirely up to you to do your own research and buy the right artificial intelligence coins. You need to acquire reliable artificial intelligence coins. We already have a lot of educational resources available for these, friends. You can watch them. In the meantime, we mentioned that there are different categories. For example, if you have invested in cryptocurrencies, it makes sense to invest under the title of investment. Now, do you know what you need to do here? For instance, it's not just about buying Bitcoin, it's about investing in cryptocurrencies. I don't think it's just about being HRV, because once you enter this universe, you see that there are very different categories within it. We talked about it more in detail. Artificial intelligence, taping, and then there are these real-world asset coins, or NFT coins. There are coins for networks in modular structures. There are coins that have their own blockchain networks. In other words, there are very different coins. There are different coins in various categories. For example, there are fun coins. There are also coins referred to as social fun. For instance, there is a token for Galatasaray. There are many different coins, and I think when you enter the crypto space, you need to diversify your assets. You can start making money in whichever area experiences a bull market. By the way, there is also this aspect of cryptocurrencies. Friends, when we buy Ethereum or Bitcoin, they rise, but it doesn't end there. For example, while Ethereum and Bitcoin may not be rising, a category can experience hype. For instance, there was a time when the metaverse was widely discussed. Due to the hype surrounding the metaverse, the prices of metaverse land had reached as high as $50,000. They were being sold for such different figures. Later, of course, they all started to drop, and right now they are in very bad places. Friends, we still see that we have years ahead of us in the metaverse. So, the cryptocurrency market has also occurred independently of cryptocurrencies. By following along, there are many opportunities to earn money by adapting this to cryptocurrencies yourself. We provided examples of these. Additionally, if you want to buy a cryptocurrency, you need to do your own research. If you buy cryptocurrencies without doing your own research, rest assured that you will become a pawn, my friends. You will be pawns used under the words of others. In this case, you only need to sell based on what that other person says, or you need to wait for that other person. If it drops, you won't be able to find someone to answer you, friends. Unfortunately, that's how it is. The coin you bought has dropped significantly. You cannot reach the owner of the coin or ask for your money back from them. That's why you always need to do your own research. Of course, doing your own research is not just about why you should get into crypto, but here's what I want to get to, friends. What will you see when you do your own research? You will see that there are news in crypto. Solana's ETF will be approved. This is a very hot topic right now. Bitcoin ETF has been approved. Ethereum ETF has been approved. Next in line are Solana ETFs, and applications have started. As soon as the applications for Solana ETFs started, Solana rose from 30 to 150. It was already increasing with the news, friends. So what do we need to do in this situation? What will the next fourth ETF news be? By the way, there is something to note, for instance. You know that there is leverage in cryptocurrencies. In leverage trading, there are long and short positions, meaning you can open trades under the concepts of going long or short on a coin without actually buying the coin itself, using your own dollar, with leverage of, for example, 10x or 20x. And these transactions provide us with more opportunities to earn money or lose more money. Friends, in this case, let's say you are doing news trading like this. You know you have entered the world of cryptocurrencies. You are no longer rewarding with spot. You have acquired your villages and your wind is waiting. You are looking for additional jobs. What will you do? For example, news trading. As soon as the Solana ETF application is submitted, you open a long position on Solana. Let's say you open a $100 trade with 10x leverage. If your $100 suddenly rises from $130 to $150 within 5 minutes due to the news, what will you do after 5 minutes? Your money has increased by 10% at the last moment, and since you used 10x leverage, it has risen by 100%. So, your $100 has become $200. In the meantime, I am placing our leverage trading and operations training series in the description section of this video. You can watch the training for leverage trading and start doing leverage trades. This is a profit opportunity. At the same time, it is also a chance to incur losses. It provides us with something at the same time. If you don't want to lose money, you shouldn't open a trade for no reason. If you don't open a trade just because you think you should, you won't lose much money anyway. You wait for the news or draw a support line in your mind. You only open a trade when you reach this support. So, leverage is not about thinking, I want to open a long position or a short position, and then deciding to open a long or short trade. My friends, leverage is not like that. There are charts for this. You can draw support lines, draw channels, and observe their movements. These do not always work 100%. There are times when they do work. Based on that, you take your risk, friends. Now, we mentioned news trading. In news trades, for example, ETFs are very important. What do ETFs actually mean? Now that cryptocurrency is recognized by a country, you can purchase that cryptocurrency from a bank in that country. It's like being able to buy gold from the same bank. These are very nice things, very good news. The legalization of cryptocurrencies in Turkey has also been very positive. So right now, there is no tax applicable for any usage for us. Large amounts will be taxed, but as end users, we will not be paying any taxes at the moment. I think this is very good news, friends. Why? Because we can now see that cryptocurrencies are starting to be accepted in Turkey. Now we talked about news and ETFs. There are airdrops in crypto, friends. We set up a YouTube channel just for these airdrops. We created a YouTube channel called Airdrop Engineer. You can also follow me on Twitter. Airdrops are very important because when I entered these cryptocurrencies with 1000 Turkish lira, the airdrops increased my holdings. Airdrops brought me to this level, friends. So, how did they bring me to this level? First of all, I was opening various trades with this 1000 try. For example, GYDX was very popular back then. There was Ethereum name service. I was making transactions in those domains. We earned very different amounts from these. We received airdrops like $10,000 and $20,000, friends, 1000 try. Of course, I was also buying and selling NFTs on Solana at that time. I had 1000 try. In a very short time, I had reached 1 million try. So I had reached 1 million try in 2 to 3 months. Then I went up to 4 to 5 million. This is by no means investment advice, by the way. I'm just stating the situation at that moment. We were already making and sharing videos about what we were doing in real time 3 years ago. There were such profits. How did these happen? They came from airdrops, friends. They came from sales of NFTs. Look, you can even participate in sales of NFTs from bosses. For example, you can join the sale of oil from Finest or CD5 Dawnmaker. We have a detailed video about them on our channel. We already have a dedicated channel for airdrops called Airdrop Engineer on YouTube. I'm also leaving the link below. I'm also leaving our Red Bell videos for the pre-sales below. Friends, whether it's TDFI or Binance, there's a lot of money to be made in these types of pre-sales. There is also a pre-sale season, friends. For example, right now, the pre-sale season is not being talked about much. In other words, there aren't many pre-sales happening because right now the hype is around meme coins, friends. Now you've entered the world of crypto. Why crypto? In crypto, you can trade based on news. You can earn money from ETVs. You can earn money from airdrops. You can make money from pre-sales. Additionally, you can earn money by following the hype around meme coins. You can also profit from NFTs. Meme coins are coins that can be produced very easily. I tried this yesterday as well. They are just random tips thrown around in a zero-sum game. For example, I created a Dan Bilzerian coin. I made this by myself. There are many Dan Bilzerian coins. In fact, thousands have been created, so anyone can create their own coin. So today, I can create a coin called Mustafa Gökçe. I can create a coin called Coinmancy. And I can create unlimited. There is no limit. I only pay a fee of 0.1 onion. In other words, I pay a fee. Meme coins are coins that can be produced in this way. But there is a lot more behind this, friends. For example, Doge and Shiba, which you have all heard of. Pepe, Bome, and Bong on the white Solana. There are a lot of meme coins, and making money from these meme coins is quite simple, my friends. Unfortunately, let's think of a project, for example. Arbitrum, Dimension, Wormhole, Optimism, Ethereum. Look, I am mentioning some very solid projects to you. For example, let's say that in the last year, Ethereum has doubled. The others are pretty much stagnant, friends. So why are meme coins rising so much while the others are stagnant? Because meme coins currently represent a profit opportunity in crypto. People, those who are satisfied from the outside. When I say people, I actually mean big phenomena. For example, IGZ's right friends. You know, IGZ has songs on YouTube that have billions of views. This woman holds a coin under the name Mother, for example, on Solana. Just because it is supported by this, the Mother meme coin is reaching $1 million market caps, and people are making millions of dollars. Many influencers and celebrities entered this space, and that's how meme coins exploded. You can also make good money by following famous personalities and buying their coins when they launch. This is not investment advice, but unfortunately, there is such an opportunity right now. So, what is the project about? Who is the candidate? What is its speed? What does it support? Who are its partners? Unfortunately, these factors mean nothing in meme coins. Who created it? Interest created it. Let's say Iggy Kim has 10 million followers. His songs are being viewed by billions, which is great. Let's buy it right away. It will rise immediately. The entire ecosystem seems to be waiting for him to launch a coin. Suddenly everyone buys, and the price keeps rising, rising, and rising. If the famous person who launched it doesn't sell, it continues to rise in some way, friends. Let's talk about NFTs. Right now, meme coins can earn good money. Why am I discussing such various things about NFTs, friends? Because I think we need to know about these when we talk about cryptocurrencies. If we already know these, then I will have given a complete answer about crypto. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. This means that it is a token that exists only once on that network. Friends, you can visualize these. For example, if I take a picture right now, I can upload it to the Ethereum network. For example, I can put this up for sale as a token on the Ethereum network. This is called an NFT, my friends, or I can send it to a friend. NFTs are actually quite simple and logical. So, how many opportunities are there in these NFTs? Now, very famous brands. For example, Nike. Are they not a well-known brand? Adidas is a very famous brand. They even create NFTs, friends. They are launching their own NFTs and can collaborate with different graphic designers to release a joint NFT. They can partner with NFTs. For example, there was Artifact, RTKKT. The floor price had risen to 1620 Ethereum. This was during the previous NFT season. And you could buy this for just 0.50 Ethereum. You can buy it for 0.20 to 0.50, exactly. So, NFTs made a lot of money. They generated significant profits at the time. Whether it was Ethereum or Poland, we earned good money. An NFT season may come again. It could happen at any moment, in fact. You never know when it will arrive, friends. For example, there is an exchange called Metless, Backpack Friends. As you know, FTX has collapsed. It is an exchange established by the people who created FTX, the Backpack Exchange. For example, there is an NFT created by Metless. This NFT will perform well as cryptocurrencies advance, as long as the fundamental principles are not violated. This is because it has very strong supporters behind it, including an exchange that backs this NFT. I mentioned this NFT because I conducted my own research. This NFT is not a partnership or anything like that, friends. I also hold it, and some of my team members do as well. I praised NFTs like this, but it is never investment advice. In other words, NFTs can earn us different currencies in this way. For example, I bought an NFT called AVAX AP, friends. If I remember correctly, I bought it for 1 or 2 AVAX. And about 8 to 9 hours after buying, I sold the NFT for approximately 500 AVAX. If I remember correctly, 500 AVAX had earned me around $30,000. So I really made about 1.3 million in just 78 hours. These happened in crypto, so I think we need to discuss these as well in the context of crypto. There is also this. I unfortunately experienced losses from 2 investments that I made. Now, we need to do our own research here. We need to take risks. There is no profit without taking risks, friends. We discussed all of these. There is leverage, there are charts, supports, resistances, long and short. These are also places for profit. I think all of these offer separate profit opportunities in crypto. After discussing so much, I always feel like I've been dead. Now, friends, there are such beautiful gains in crypto. There are also nice records, by the way. What do we need to do here? We won't be greedy. Let's say we allocated 25% of our portfolio to crypto. 100,000 try Turkish lira, put 25,000 in crypto. 50,000 lira, you withdraw 25,000 lira. Your portfolio is 125,000 try, and have 25,000 try crypto. Keep 25,000 try. 2550, avoid 50. So withdraw 20,000 from 50 and keep 30,000. 30,000, 60,000, take 20,000 with 30,000 and keep 40,000. In this way, constantly convert money into real-life assets. Buy 2 tons of gold. If you can't buy a motorcycle, just buy a car or something. Don't keep your money constantly in crypto, because crypto isn't my father's, you know. Unfortunately, there isn't always an upward trend in crypto. There are downsides as well, friends. I think it will be difficult for us to convert our earnings from the inside into real life. Why did we talk about so many opportunities in crypto? Also, for example, when you are extremely cheerful about cryptocurrencies, just because one cryptocurrency rises does not mean profit. And if it falls, shorting it does not guarantee profit either. It is also in our hands to earn regular income from here. For example, there is a feature called staking, friends. For instance, you cannot stake your gold somewhere right now and earn more gold with it. But in crypto, for example, you buy Ethereum. You put the Ethereum somewhere and it gives you 5% or 10% more Ethereum within a year. These are nice things. In crypto, these rates are always very volatile. Sometimes these rates go up to 30%. This is not just for Ethereum, but for almost all hack coins, my friends. Staking is a nice feature. For example, these stakes provide us with regular earnings. Our amount of Ethereum continuously increases, friends. Additionally, there are EMA competencies in crypto. We also participate in this. There is an event called Ask Me a Question, where you ask us questions. And in return, we give you rewards, such as $50 or $100. This is how we distribute rewards. Also, if you are interested in crypto and have more free time, you can even do some work in Instagram groups related to cryptocurrency projects. There are many job opportunities in crypto, and there are even websites related to this like CryptoJob. You can directly find jobs related to crypto from there. You are a moderator in the Telegram group of Mimcoin, and you delete bad conversations there. You can also earn money from this. So, there are many opportunities to make profits in crypto. Now, there is the option to buy something for the long term in crypto, hold it, and invest. It's enough, friends. Investing in something long before it comes out is also an option. So, we call it seed investment for the long term. For example, one of the coins that has invested the most right now is Wormhole. Wormhole made a seed investment 2 years ago and went through a core investment round 3 years ago. If you had invested in Wormhole 3 years ago, you would have made a lot of money by now, but you invested when the coin wasn't even out yet 2 years ago, sometimes even 1 year ago, and such opportunities exist. Of course, such opportunities may not be available to everyone, but when you can seize these opportunities, they truly provide very different currencies and very different profits for us. Well, if you can catch these things, then you should stop investing in crypto and also stop shaping your life, meaning you should stop focusing on yourself and so on. Lastly, I will mention 2 more things. One is that you can socialize at events related to crypto. Why crypto? Let's not just look at it as an investment. You can socialize. There are crypto events, for example, held in Singapore. 42049 is a very nice event. We are going to Singapore. You can find a partner for yourself. Maybe you can find a sponsor. With that sponsorship, you can go for free. Binance Blockchain Week is happening in Dubai. We are participating in these events. At Binance Blockchain Week, we are connecting with our followers, or we also have some parameters that we follow on YouTube, for example, not just as Turks, but globally. We are meeting with them in some way. For example, we have been talking to them on Telegram for a long time. We are meeting with them. Such things are nice. Lastly, we talked about the stock market campaigns with the friends. Exchange campaigns always offer us a chance for a small profit. For example, Binance Exchange constantly distributes money, guys. These people have made a name for themselves. They have become one of the best exchanges. And they are distributing money. For example, they are distributing a prize of 21 million Try. Participating in these is very simple, and there are great money chances. They are giving 1,000 Try per person. There's Launch Bull Mega Drop on Binance, friends. I'm putting the video right here below. For example, Mega Dropler gave us Lista for 1000 Try. It just gave it to us out of nowhere. I mean Lista, because we locked 0.01 BNB. It gave us 1000 Try. Before Insta, there was a Mega Drop called BounceBit, which we can call a pre-sale. We made $70–80 from BounceBit. So, such profit opportunities are constantly happening. For example, you may have heard of the OKEX exchange. We were participating in pre-sales and making money on the OKEX exchange. They launched the OKEX TR exchange. For example, they gave 250 Try, Turkish lira, per user. So, since there are many exchanges of this kind, you can register with the exchanges and earn good money by completing a few simple tasks there, friends. By the way, we are also included in these. Because let's say you did it yourself and you got 5 to 6 people from your family involved and they are all making good money. We are earning good money in that way because there are a lot of stocks, friends. Yes, in today's video, we discussed together why we should invest in cryptocurrencies. Now the rest is up to you, friends. Whether you invest with cryptocurrency or stay away from it. I will say this as a final bombshell. If you have decided to invest in cryptocurrencies, what do you need to do, friends? I think you need to have a good grasp of everything. You need to have sufficient knowledge about cryptocurrencies if you want to invest. It means having sufficient knowledge. So, know neither too much nor too little, friends. Have sufficient knowledge. For this, we have training sets related to cryptocurrencies. For example, we have training sets that have been viewed millions of times. I will leave this below. Watch our training set. Let me get back to the information about Turkish stocks. How is it used in the market? Learn that. Then, invest a portion of your money in cryptocurrencies. I say again, by the way, if the total value of all your money, your house and so on is what it is, I don't think it's very sensible to invest more than 25% of that in cryptocurrencies because these areas are really volatile. Something that can offer high returns even though it is listed. For this reason, I believe that a 20 to 25% return is a good rate for cryptocurrencies. The rest is up to you, friends. I am waiting for comments from those who want to invest. If you have any questions, I am also waiting for your comments. I will be answering all of them. I hope this has been a helpful video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments, friends, and don't forget to like this video.